Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Akibullah from Ali Raja Bagan, UK. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're enjoying this beautiful summer day. Just to let you know, I'm going on CBBC Newsround tomorrow, Monday, 13th of July. The program will be broadcasted 3 different times: 9:15 in the morning, 12:10 in the midday, and 4 p.m. in the afternoon. If you're busy during any of those times, you can go on BBC iPlayer and watch the show from there. I'm going to be leaving the timing and the details in the description. I hope you can join me. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you tomorrow.